this one. Giga Chef. Oh, sorry. I'm good, Chef. Thanks for asking. It goes good down south. Thank you so much. What do you mean, see how she is? Sorry. No Scottish cookie. I'm sorry. I honestly, Gunnar, what's your favorite one of those? That shortbread bar with the caramel and chocolate ganache on top looked so good. That's the one I wanted to make. But I didn't have condensed milk. Sorry, I have a thing with even numbers. At least I do right now. Whatever. It is what it is. What's your favorite one of that list down south that Unicorn put up? If you did look at the list, 27 grams. Is this 2 pieces? Alright, 27 grams chia. Chia. Sorry. I want to try it with cocoa nibs. I don't know if that's weird or not, but I want to. See, 7 grams cocoa nibs. Cocoa nibs are not, they don't really have like a chocolatey flavor. I feel like it's more of the crunch. About a half a cup of almond milk. Pretend like this is a half. Plain butter shortbread. The dessert list, yeah. I'm gonna try to do a chia pudding and see how it comes out for tomorrow. If I can make it look pretty for like the Instagram stuff and also for breakfast. $117. 117. Oh, 777, dude. Okay. So this, I think you have to mix it around. And then let it kind of bloom or whatnot. And then mix it again after a minute. After a few minutes.